Imagine a place where medieval towers guard the harbor like bouncers at a wine-soaked Renaissance party, where oysters are slurped before noon without shame, and where the Atlantic breeze smells faintly of rebellion. Now here's the twist. It's not a sleepy coastal relic. It's France's OG tech-forward, eco-conscious, pirate-harboring city that somehow escaped the tourist stampede. This is La Rochelle, and if you think you know French seaside towns, think again, because one of its best-kept secrets hasn't even been marked on the map. Yet. Start where the drama is thickest, the Old Port. This is where 14th century towers still stare each other down like estranged siblings, guarding an entrance once filled with corsairs, traders, and folks who definitely weren't paying customs. Walk the quays with a scoop of salted caramel gelato, mandatory. Dodge an accordion player, and soak in the boats, the buzz, and that weird feeling that history is watching you back. If you're into cinematic entrances, time it at sunset. The golden light bounces off the limestone and boom, you're in a Monet painting with better Wi-Fi. 3 towers. One mission, protect the city. But each has its own personality. The Tour de la Chaîne. The gatekeeper. The Tour Saint-Nicolas. A brooding ex-prison with a view. And Tour de la Lanterne? Basically, a 600-year-old lighthouse that moonlighted as a jail for pirates. Climb them. All of them. Your calves will cry, but your camera roll will thank you. Just over the bridge lies Île de Ré, the chill cousin of Saint-Tropez with a bike addiction. Rent a velo, cycle through salt flats and poppy fields, and suddenly you're in a postcard. Charming villages? Check. Shutters painted in every shade of French chic? Double check. Grab seafood in Saint-Martin-de-Ré. Sip Pinot on a terrace and realize you've officially entered your I could move here fantasy spiral. Stay strong. Even if you think aquariums are for kids and awkward first dates, hear this. La Rochelle's aquarium is legit. Sharks, jellyfish, seahorses, they're all in glassy little dioramas, judging you silently. It's one of the biggest private aquariums in Europe. And yes, it has a rainforest tunnel because why not? Bonus. Perfect rainy day plan or hangover hideout after too much rosé. Here's the plan. Show up hungry. This 19th century market is chaos in the best possible way. Locals yelling about cheese, someone playing Edith Piaf on a Bluetooth speaker, and the scent of roasting chicken mingling with sea air. Pick up a hot galette, a dozen oysters you'll pretend to know how to eat gracefully, and a dangerously affordable bottle of wine. Congratulations, you've just leveled up your picnic game to God tier. La Rochelle was into sustainability before it was cool. They had city bikes before Paris did. True story. Hop on one and cruise the scenic coastal paths. Think beaches, pine forests, and forts left over from when defending France required more cannons than croissants. The ride's smooth, the air's salty, and you'll feel smugly healthy even after those 4 croissants you claimed were just for energy. Okay, you've waited. Here's your payoff. In the suburb of Étré, just 15 minutes from downtown, there's a place called Plage Chef de Bay. It's got cliffs, dunes, hidden World War II bunkers, and no crowds. Locals go there when they want solitude, sunset, and 0 Instagrammers doing handstands. Find the winding trail near the fort wall. It leads to a sandy cove that feels like it shouldn't exist this close to civilization. And now you know. La Rochelle isn't just another pretty French port. It's a time warp, a rebel, and a secret all-in-one. And if you liked this ride through towers, pirates, bikes, and beach secrets, don't miss our deep dive into the quietest French island no one talks about. Until then, keep your oysters fresh and your bike seat low. À bientôt.